Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am your Deepthi ma'am. Do you like shapes? Okay. Today we will learn about semicircle shape. Which shape? Semicircle shape. Do you know what is semicircle? Let's learn about. A semicircle is half a circle, a flat, two-dimensional shape. A semicircle is half a circle, a flat, two-dimensional shape. Some examples of semicircle. Okay, what is this? This is a rainbow. This is a rainbow. And which shape is this? Very good. This is a semicircle shape. This is a semicircle shape. Next one is, my God, what is this? This is a watermelon. Do you like watermelon? Yes? Very good. And which shape is this? It is also a semicircle. It is also a semicircle shape. Okay? Bowl. Bowl. And which shape is this? Semicircle shape. Semicircle shape. Okay? What is this? This is a cap. This is a cap. And which shape is this? Semicircle shape. Semicircle cap. Oh, what is this? This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. And which shape is this? Semicircle, umbrella, semicircle, umbrella. Very good, children.
This is a semicircle, semicircle. This is a semicircle.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
It's quiz time. Identify the semicircle and tick in the box. Okay? Semicircle shape? Yes, you're right, children. Is this semicircle shape? This semicircle? Oh, this is a circle shape. This semicircle? Oh, this is circle in shape. This semicircle? Yes, you are right, children. This is semicircle shape. This semicircle? Triangle shape, है ना? This semicircle? This star shape. Okay? This semicircle? No, this is a circle shape. This semicircle? Yes. This is an umbrella. This semicircle? Yes, you are right, children. This is rainbow. Rainbow semicircle shape. This semicircle? This triangle shape. This semicircle? No. And which shape is this? Circle shape. Very good, children.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you next class. Bye bye, children.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.